Hello everyone, welcome to NewChoice. If you are a student, parent, teacher or someone who wants to learn Malayalam, this video is for you. Today we will learn Malayalam reading using simple tricks instead of difficult memorization. Why Malayalam looks difficult? Many people think Malayalam is difficult because too many curved letters, similar looking characters, long words, different pronunciation. But the truth is, Malayalam is actually very logical. Once you understand the pattern, reading becomes easy. Think of learning Malayalam like learning to ride a bicycle. At first it seems impossible. Then suddenly everything becomes natural. Malayalam has vowels called swaraksharangal. A, I, U, R, A, I, O, Au, A. Easy memory trick. A, I, U, A, O. The consonant letters called Vyanjanaksharangal, learn them in families. Family 1, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. Family 2, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya. 3, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. 4, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Pa, Pa, Ba, Bha, Ma. When letters are learned in groups, the brain remembers them faster. Ka, Kha, Ga, Kha, Nga. Cha, Cha, Ja, Cha, Nya. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Ta, Tha, Da, Tha, Na. Pa, Pa, Ba, Bha, Ma. I already uploaded all the Malayalam letters, vowels, consonants and compound letters in this channel. Link in the description box. You can watch and practice. First, learn the pronunciation of each Malayalam letters. You have to understand this pattern. K plus A, Ka. M plus A, Ma. L plus A, La. Ka, Ma, La. Learn the main symbols. A, I, U, R, A, I, O, Au, A. Then start to read. Kamala, Ka, Ma, La. Aruvi, Ru, Vi. This is the main thing. Learn common words first. Amma, mother. Achan, father. Veedu, house. Vellam, water. School, school. When you read useful words repeatedly, your confidence grows. This is the fastest learning method. Whenever you go outside, read shop names. Read bus boards. Example, hotel, bakery, school, office. Within a few weeks, your brain automatically starts recognizing the patterns. Use your finger. Move it under each syllable while reading Malayalam newspaper or Malayalam books. Point to A, Ma, Amma. Read slowly, then faster, then naturally. A, Ma, Amma. This method improves reading speed dramatically. 10-minute daily practice. 5 minutes letter revision. 3 minutes word reading. 2-minute sentence reading. Total 10 minutes. Consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes every day is more powerful than 3 hours once a week. Secret technique used by fast learners. Read aloud Many learners only look at the text, but reading aloud helps. Eyes, brain, ears work together. This creates stronger memory connections. That is why children learn reading faster when they speak the words. Practice session. Amma veetil undu. Amma veetil undu. Njan schoolil പോകുന്നു. ഞാൻ സ്കൂളിൽ പോകുന്നു. എനിക്ക് മലയാളം പഠിക്കണം. എനിക്ക് മലയാളം പഠിക്കണം. If you can read these sentences, you are already progressing. Nobody learns Malayalam in one day. Even native speakers learn one letter at a time. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Every word you read today is one step closer to the fluency. Small daily progress becomes big success. If this video helped you, please like, share with your friends and subscribe to NewChoice online classroom.